How to fix TikTok notification not showing issue. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your notification is not being shown up on TikTok. Well, the process is actually pretty plain and simple, so let me guide you through. Now, if the notification is not being shown up on TikTok, it probably means that your notification is turned off. Now, how you can turn it on? Simply open up TikTok, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Pop-up will appear from the bottom with a list of options. You want to head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you'll find the account, and you can see down below content and display. Under content and display, you'll find the first option, notifications here. Click on it, and now you can see push notifications option. Now this is the main notification setting. You want to make sure it is enabled, and once you have enabled it, if you want to set certain notification patterns, such as you want to get notified about comments but you want to turn off for likes, then you can toggle it off from here. So you can see this tick as well, you can see direct messages, so you can toggle it everything from here. You can check which notifications you want and which you do not want. If you do not want, simply toggle it off. If you want it, simply toggle it on. So this is how you can easily enable notifications or fix notifications not showing on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.